Performance isn't just about speed. Sometimes it's a matter of being the best driver on technical tracks. That's what the Street and Tougate Track Force kit is for.
Typical internet site. Hate this. Not even able to watch this. Wrong side, not awaitable. What the fuck? What's wrong with them? Oh, sacred horde. Glad to be actually a singular virgin and all this stuff. Fuck life. Always these mind shakers. I don't even know where. Nothing to keep. Weird. We do not know where to go. It's the only car I have. Festival Fanfare. Gold medal. Oh my gosh. Realitätsnah oder so? I can't remember how to play this game anymore. It's terrifying. I think I'm mostly actually in here for the music, presentation, and everything else. So enjoy. Thank you very much for having me. What's that? That must be you.
What's up? I'm Rick Martinez, and I'm here in Hawaii to shoot my next project, High Ride.
That's all I did? All the stuff gone. Where's Blondie?
What's up guys, it's Supercar Blondie. I'm here to make you discover the rarest and most inconceivable cars on this planet.
I hate that guy. The bit for the day in the hydraulics. Oh man, my boys. Cheers. So already was going through with the made in Japan, American mostly, and then American ruler.
I've got 7 questions that you need to answer by getting.
So what's next for me? Luxury. That goes as well. What a BMW. Hollywood or 911. We've ruined this. I think we didn't want that one. Can't fast travel that shit. That's weird. No, that's weird. And I'm lonely again, do not know what to do. What they want from us? I don't get it. To be done with all this stuff? Yeah, we already done with it. What they want from us then? Ah, getting actually... I gotcha. There's some stuff to actually keep up. You won. Come on, Rika. Now move.
There's a reward vehicle waiting for you. Drive safe.
Yeah, back to another physics of game. Oh my gosh! The steering is so delayed. Completed. Why is these playlists not completed? Eh? They say... Oh, I already want to quit this game. What kind of a reward? What do they want from me? What kind of reward? What kind of a reward? Can't even fast travel to them. I don't get it. This game is glitched and fucked. I'm done with it. What kind of a reward is the same in here? Now they send me to somewhere else and don't give me the reward. Oh, this game is so... I don't understand these anymore. Okay, I came back a month later. It's getting even worse to having an overview. Oh, that makes me very aggressive, seriously. What they want from me? There's no actually stupid reward for me. Yeah, what's new? Wow, that's what's new. Now I need to reset the game or something? I don't know what the hell. I have to try out and you can't. Requirement unfilled because actually you have to do millions of others to make it in there. 100% you have a reward, but you don't know the reward. You click on the reward and you don't get a reward. Okay, that's it. Bye bye. Have a nice time.